This is my Tower brand ISUP inflatable paddleboard. I use it quite a bit. This is what happened just recently after my last paddleboarding adventure. It was sitting there about a half an hour after my paddle, and it just exploded right at the seam. The seam blew apart. And wouldn't you know it, I called Tower Boards, and they were kind enough to let me know I was 1 month out of my warranty and that it was unrepairable. So unfortunately, with the money I spent for this paddleboard, I might as well go ahead and give it a shot and see if I can repair it. I saw some other people repair theirs on YouTube, so I'm gonna try the same thing and see if it works. Here's what I'm gonna use to make the repair. I got some sandpaper to rough it up a little bit and take off any imperfections before I try to glue it. I got some acetone to try to clean it up after I sand it and get ready. I got this from Amazon. It's like 15 bucks. It's a glue that I use to put on the rings before on this board. It works pretty good. A board and some clamps after I glue it. Well, here's what the seam looks like so far. Like I said, I'm not going for neatness. I'm trying to get a lot of glue on there to hopefully it stick.